With their preparations for the journey to planet Namek complete, everyone is gathered at Kame House.
What's with the hair, Gohan?
My mom thought I should look more presentable. You know, when meeting an entire alien race for the first time.
Okay. Man, your mom sure is strict. We're counting on you. Don't come back until you found those Dragon Balls. On it.
Bye, Grandpa! Bye, Mom! Bye, Master Roshi!
Write me every day, Gohan! All right, time for takeoff. Watch out, Planet Namek, here we come!
Meanwhile, just as Bulma and the others left for planet Namek, Vegeta, back and fully recovered from his fight on Earth, learned of his commander Frieza's absence. Frieza was on his way to planet Namek with his most elite subordinates in tow. He was in search of the Dragon Balls that he learned of from Vegeta and the others on Earth. His goal? To wish for immortality. Vegeta hurriedly made his way to Namek in an effort to catch Frieza and stop him.
If Frieza is able to attain immortality, the universe is history. I'm not going to let that happen. Those Dragon Balls are mine!
Meanwhile, 34 days after Bulma and the others left Earth, they finally arrived at their destination, planet Namek.
We did it! We actually made it to Planet Namek!
This place kind of reminds me of where Piccolo trained me, back on Earth.
No use waiting around, let's find those Dragon Balls! Hey, check this out! I'm picking something up. No doubt about it, it's a Dragon Ball!
You're right!
Woohoo! All right!
All right, we found
We
one!
found one!
Huh? Krillin, do you feel that strong energy over there?
Huh? Man, you're not kidding! It's massive, and it feels crazy strong! And there's something kinda evil about it, too. What's going on?
There's nothing to freak out about. Besides, look at the reading I'm getting over there. The radar's picking up 4 Dragon Balls all in one spot.
Yeah, you're right! It's probably just some Namekians. We got nothing to be afraid of, right?
Wait, I feel like I've seen that ship somewhere before.
It's a Saiyan spaceship!
I knew it!
Go on, lower your power level. They'll know we're here.
Yeah.
It's Vegeta. Looks like it's just him.
I am not letting you get your filthy hands on those Dragon Balls, Frieza!
Bulma, let the others know what's going on, and then head back to Earth. We'll stay here and gather the rest of the Dragon Balls. Gohan, sound good to you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get a hold of Master Roshi and fill him in first. Once I'm back, I'll pick Goku up and bring him here. I should be back in about 2 months.
Right. 2 months. What?
Another one?
Hold the phone. What's another one of those things doing here?
Yeah, that's exactly what I want to know!
We found it, Lord Frieza!
Excellent work. Now only 3 remain out of my grasp. Take care not to lose that, Dodoria. It seems Vegeta is looking for the Dragon Balls as well.
Yes, sir!
Pardon me. Lord Frieza, Qui has just intercepted Vegeta.
Has he? My, that was fast.
In addition, the 2 large power sources from earlier have suddenly disappeared as well. I will make my way to their location and investigate. I should be able to identify them shortly.
Very well, but I'm more concerned about ridding myself of that traitor Vegeta. What a shame. I didn't think him foolish enough to turn against me, let alone attempt to steal the Dragon Balls for himself.
Qui should be on his way to dispose of Vegeta. Should be interesting. Those 2 have long hated each other. They are roughly equal in power, I believe. So I assume it'll take a fair bit of time.
You're not going anywhere, Vegeta. I'm going to enjoy blowing you to pieces.
Right. Make sure to let Goku and the others know. Thanks. All right, I'm heading back to Earth now. Good luck, you 2. I'll be back with Goku as fast as I can.
Krillin! Someone's coming!
Huh?
Is it the Saiyan?
No. It's not Vegeta. It's someone weaker. Probably a Namekian.
It should be right around here. Huh? Look. What the hell is that?
What?
Those aren't Namekians!
They don't look like Namekians! Who the hell are they? Their power levels are a joke! They're nothing but trash!
I guess it's just some tourists, huh? Well, anyway, we got orders to annihilate everyone on the planet. It wouldn't be much fun if they got away. So let's take care of that spaceship of theirs.
Sounds good to me!
No! That's our ship!
Sucks to be them! Guess they were in the wrong place at the wrong time!
Okay, Gohan. Feel free to let loose on these guys. They're nothing compared to you. Here goes!
Right!
Just like the Saiyans we fought back on Earth!
Get out of here!
All right! All right!
What's going on with their power levels?
All right!
Solar flare! You're kidding! Hey! Nice going, Gohan!
Nice going! There's nothing nice about this!
Lord Frieza, it seems like those two power sources from before may warrant more of our attention. They raised their power levels almost instantly, and then vanished after defeating two of our scouts.
That is indeed strange. I highly doubt it's Vegeta's doing.
Correct, my lord. It can't be Vegeta. The sources each have a power level of about 1,500.
1,500, is that right? Hardly anything worthy of our concern, wouldn't you say? They do seem rather unruly. If you happen upon these two, eliminate them. Let us leave Vegeta's destruction to Kui.
You hear that, Vegeta? That was a direct order from Lord Frieza. I finally get to kill you.
Don't make me laugh, Kui. Do you actually think you can beat me?
Are you blind, Vegeta? Take a look at your scouter. You'll see my power level is leagues above yours.
Well... Kui doesn't seem to realize how much of a threat I am. Good. I'll get rid of that waste of space in no time. Well now. I only helped out because I was bored. Well now, this might be good. There you
You must really have a death wish. Coming at me like this? You've lost your edge, Vegeta. You don't stand a chance against me with a power level like that.
Don't be disappointed. You're in for a treat. You see, I've managed to learn a little new trick during my time on Earth.
Like what? How to run away?
Like how to control my power level.
No way! 19, 20, 21, 22,000!
Well, this must be some sort of error, but I set my scouter to Vegeta's coordinate, and it's showing a reading of more than 22,000.
Did you say 22,000? That's an older model scouter, isn't it? Here, I'll get a more accurate reading with mine. Impossible! It can't be! Is my scouter broken? But it's a newer model! The reading's up to 24,000!
Are you saying his power level is even beyond ours now?
Die!
We're supposed to be equal in power!
You fool! I've grown stronger with each battle that I've fought. The most recent one pushed me to the brink of death. Don't think for a second that a pampered peon like you could ever be my equal. Gotta go!
Wait, Vegeta. I've got a great idea! I'll help you fight Frieza. We can take him on together. I never really liked him anyway. What did you say?
You're so pathetic. You pissed me off for the last time! You're not going anywhere! dirty fireworks.
Ugh. Vegeta's power level from before! That 24,000 reading, it was real! Oh, I don't believe it! He just took out Qui!
I'm hardly surprised at this. How soon you forget Vegeta is a highly experienced fighter in every right. Not to mention foolish. He doesn't seem to know his error and so brazenly defying me.
Lord Frieza, the scouter shows there are about 10 Namekians in that direction.
Very good. Let's hope they have what I'm looking for. The 5th Dragon Ball. Let's pay them a visit.
I hate to say it, but that's it. We're screwed. There's no way we can ever get back to Earth now.
Bulma? Let's at least get away from this place. We're sitting ducks out here.
We should try to find a place to hide. Maybe in a Namekian house or a cave or something.
We'll try to figure something out.
I'm sure the Namekians can help us fix our ship, right?
I wish I could be as optimistic as you two. So, how long do we have to stay in a creepy place like that?
Huh? Krillin, do you sense that power over there?
Yeah, I do. But it's not like the others from before. This time it might be Namekian. Huh? Hide! There's some strange energy headed this way. What are you doing, Bulma? Hide! Those guys we beat up earlier weren't alone!
Huh?
It's them!
They left. Who were they?
Bulma, do me a favor and check the Dragon Radar, please? You said 4 of the Dragon Balls were in one spot, right? Well then, it's possible that those guys...
Yeah! That explains it! They have the 4 Dragon Balls!
Yeah, that's what I thought. Go on, did you feel it?
Yeah, their power was incredible.
Whoa, that small guy, he might actually be stronger than Vegeta.
Whoa, stronger than Vegeta? No way.
Cool, man. Wait, how are we supposed to get the Dragon Balls from those guys?
Once Master Roshi learned of the situation on Namek from Bulma, he informed Goku right away. Goku, who was eager to help his friends, then asked Dr. Briefs to build him a spaceship. Dr. Briefs modified the ship Goku arrived in as a child and gave it enough power to reach planet Namek in just 6 days. After bringing himself back up to fighting condition with some senzu beans, Goku left for planet Namek.
All right, I'm off. I'd better get training with this gravity machine right away. After all, I've only got about 6 days to get stronger than Vegeta.
Hey, you guys! Those creeps from before are heading straight for the Dragon Ball!
Hey, that's...
Wait a minute. That's right back where Krillin thought that the Namekians were approaching us.
Okay, I'll head over there and check things out.
I'm going too.
Wait a second! Huh? Are you just gonna leave me here by myself?
Well, it'll be a lot safer for you here.
Actually, you might be right. Fine. I'll just open up a capsule home here in the cave and wait for you guys.
Go on. Make sure you lower your power as much as possible.
Right.
Frieza's horrible henchmen.
What's going on down there? They look just like Kami and Piccolo. Ah, they must be Namekians!
First, introductions. I am Frieza. I'm looking for the Dragon Balls. And if I'm not mistaken, I do believe one of them can be found here.
We don't have anything like that.
It takes a great deal of courage to lie to me with a power level like yours.
That device, that must be how they're able to find what few villages are spread across the planet.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. You know, the other elders were all too willing to provide me the information I need.
Willing? That's impossible.
Well, they did require some convincing. Zarbon, show how persuasive we can be.
Sir.
Perhaps you understand now. If you insist on being this difficult, those young ones over there will be the next to die.
They're monsters!
How terrible!
What do you intend to do with the Dragon Balls?
Why, I'll make a wish, of course. Nothing too extravagant, mind you. Just immortality.
Even if these monsters manage to gather the Dragon Balls, they still might not be able to make their wish. I suppose we have no choice, but promise me one thing. Promise me you won't lay a hand on the children.
Of course. Mind you, you could have saved yourself all this trouble by doing this sooner.
Now, take this and be gone.
While I have you, perhaps you can tell me something. Say the location of the 2 remaining Dragon Balls. If memory serves, you need 7 of them to make a wish, isn't that right?
Don't be ridiculous. We Namekians are not in the business of endangering our own kind.
And just when I thought you were less foolish than the rest, I suppose I have no other recourse but to kill you and the children.
Get out of here, Dende! Now!
Right!
No! Our scouters! Now you won't be able to hunt us down anymore!
You're all dead!
Those monsters!
It's not much fun killing small fries like you. But you gotta die sooner or later. That's enough! What? Who the hell are you?
I'm gonna make you pay for what you did! Hey, go on. Even if we take them together, these guys are way out of our league. Your jets, Gohan.
No way! No way! Take this! No way! Have it all! No way! Have it all! What the? You little!
Gohan, we gotta catch him off guard, then run! Now's our chance! Hurry!
Huh? Right!
After them, Dodoria! Don't let them get away!
Punch it, Gohan! If he catches us, we're goners!
Right!
No use! They're faster than us! He's gaining! Wait, that's right! Here, Gohan, take the kid!
Okay!
Don't look directly at me! Take this! Solar Flare!
Yeah! My eyes! I can't see!
All right, it worked! Gohan, hide!
What? Oh, right!
You little twerps! Where'd the hell you go?
We're safe!
All right, we need to head back to Bulma fast! Hey, can you fly?
Oh, yes. Thank you for saving me.
So, what's your name?
I'm Dende.
One of Frieza's goons is on the move. This energy, is that Dodoria? This is perfect. I can more than handle him all by myself.